we continue with a presentation from Dolcera. So next to me, I have Sandeep Mandava, and he will present the demo entitled, I need to maximize it, 5G private network solutions. And can I have maybe a microphone? Oh.
Hi everyone. I'm from Dolcera. So we at Dolcera are have a startup, a 3-year-old startup named Fi-Fi. We are taking an interesting spin on 5G in private networks, and we started with this question about what if the 5G private networks are as easy to deploy as Wi-Fi. So that's where our journey started 3 years ago. And why OAI? So one of the barriers of this 5G private network is cost and simplicity. The idea of using an open source not only brings down the cost, but also it gives you bare bone RAN stack to begin with, eliminating carrier bulk, and also this also gives a chance to use less expensive hardware. So as I was mentioning, one of the other barriers apart from cost is the awareness. So 5G private network, the 5G cellular in general has a bad rapport because of all the previous attempts of getting into enterprise networking from the 3G world. So what we are trying to change is to give a perspective. We don't want to talk about carrier application. We don't want to talk about MIMO. We don't want to talk about throughput latency. We want to talk about applications. We want to talk about industries and go tell, let's say there's a warehouse moving robots. We go and say, this particular application, this is how it will look after 5G and before 5G. So we don't want to sell technology, we want to sell applications. So that's one of the reasons, one of the demos you will see that we have today is a simple network that you can, in minutes, deploy a 5G network. All this hardware is hosted in our labs. So that you will be able to spin up a 5G network based on OAI in minutes, and you can monitor all what's happening in the 5G network. On top of it, this is where things get really interesting. You can add your own application on top of this 5G network and have one of these pods or radios within this 5G network send data to your application and see in real time how that will affect your application. So that way, you know what you're getting into before you really make a decision to build a 5G network in your enterprise. So today we're going to showcase this simulator platform. Stop by at our demo place, and we can show you how our mission is to educate and create awareness among the industry 4.0 folks how 5G can be cool in their industries. Thank you.